keep running, keep running, keep running. Better start. Yeah, nice change. Ooh, I didn't leave yourself much room to back there. There you did. Here, let's see again here. Much straighter. Ooh. Come back in. Good, all the way around again. Stop facing the judge. Ooh. Back. Good. Yeah, good confidence and excellent straightness. Good decision there. Ooh, what was that stutter step there? Go. All the way around, all the way around. Very nice. Keep her forward. Good. Good. Finish. Yes, that's the finish.